Dear friend, everyone loves eating out, but with the rising prices at restaurants, we have all had to cut back. Wouldn't it be nice to save money by making your favorite restaurant dishes at home instead? Well, now you can with America's Restaurant Recipes. In this 2-volume cookbook, you'll discover the secret recipes for your family's favorite restaurant dishes. As seen on Fox News, Good Morning America, Home Shopping Network, ABC, NBC, People Magazine, and more. New York Times best-selling author Ron Douglas reveals the jealously guarded secret restaurant recipes that have been kept away from the public for years. With these easy-to-follow recipes, you are sure to wow your family and friends with meals that taste just like the Olive Garden, the Cheesecake Factory, Outback Steakhouse, P.F. Chang's, Red Lobster, KFC, and many more. Skip those long lines and enjoy these delicious dishes in your own kitchen. Now, for a limited time only, when you order America's Restaurant Recipes Volume 1, you'll get the Volume 2 cookbook for free. Act now to secure this buy one, get one special offer. Order now and spice up dinner time in your home.
Looking to shed a few pounds by performing this simple after-dinner ritual? Exercise does not have to be a chore. Workouts, in reality, don't have to feel like workouts. A Zumba workout isn't even a workout, it's a fun, interactive dance party with. Fullness is automatically regulated in the area of the brain called the nucleus of the solitary tract. It does this by monitoring signals from the gut and hormone levels in the blood. It is also this part of the brain that determines portion size and lets you know when you are full. What happens to your sense of fullness when you try to lose weight? Receiving feedback from hormones such as leptin, insulin and ghrelin. What happens to your appetite when you try to lose weight? The hypothalamus uses this feedback to automatically control your hunger. However, when body weight goes down, the hypothalamus, unfortunately, increases appetite significantly. Fullness is automatically regulated in the area of the brain called the nucleus of the solita.